it's me, Jake, and I'm in another video. And today, I am back.
I'm back too.
Yeah, she came to my house again because she had to go to dance. She had to go to dance class. Also, Bridget,
I had to go to the grocery store.
Sorry, I didn't know.
Because I'm going to a birthday
party. So guys, as you saw in the last 3-4 videos,
wait, no. Wait.
Hold up, guys. I need to tell you something. As you guys saw in the last videos, hold up.
Why do I look like this? Ninja Pig, were you on my account again?
And Cloudy was.
Cloudy!
She found out, guys. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
She left. And today we are going to be playing some Flood Escape. Bridget, how do you feel about the Ninja Pig and Cloudy getting your account again? She does not like it, guys. Hey, Bridget. So I said when I was playing with Cloudy and Ninja Pig, I said if the video gets to 50 likes, shout out. But we have a new object, and it's not going to involve likes or comments. So tell the you get to make up how we get a face reveal for either Ninja Pig or Cloudy. Only one of them, no, only one. And I'll make up the how you do for the second.
Ninja Pig,
You only get to do it for me. I get to do it for you.
Ninja Pig, will they? I don't know. Let's do a face reveal. I don't know how which one we should do.
Okay, guys, I'll tell you. If I need one person, only one person, to comment in the chat, comment down below, face reveal, and if you want face reveal, and if only one person has to, and if you want to see Cloudy's,
Same with me.
if you want to see,
Wait, what are you doing?
doing something.
No.
Yes. If you want to see Cloudy's face reveal, then all you hold on. If you want to see Cloudy's point of view, we have 10 people have to comment face reveal. 10 different people. Different people.
If you want to see Ninja Pig face reveal, 20 people.
One for Ninja Pig, 10 for Cloudy. One for Ninja Pig, 10 for Cloudy.
I'm back.
Oh, you're back. Okay, let's play. Something else and 2 other people. Gosh, a lot of people are asleep.
At 8:55.
Yeah. I mean, it's other times for other people in the world. It could be like 9.
Yeah. No, it could be like, yeah. Happening.
We're getting in a match!
Oh, poor Jake.
Dang it.
No, it didn't.
Bridget.
I'm already dead. I'll smack to you.
Okay. No! Oh!
What's a button do? Go this way and That's enough fun for that. Okay, it's
There's not as much people to press the buttons, which is bad.
I know. At least there's 2 other people who can get to it. We're like, swim up and climb these rocks. Find a way to.
Oh gosh.
Just go to the side. No, not that side.
It works.
No, don't go all the way back.
Oh!
Oh wow. The button's clicked. Just go get it. Just running around.
I can't get in. Press.
Someone has to click the button up there.
Ugh.
Oh, you still made it.
This is what happens when there's not a lot of people in your game.
Yeah, I want to join a server.
Join our server, Discord server. Actually, I haven't made a Discord. Okay, now we got full 4.
Crap, I put on the wrong tail. Since Cloudy bought this tail.
Oh, Cloudy. Yeah, Cloudy, I think, bought some. Cloudy wasted 5 of your Robux on lemonade. But she did it in style. She was drinking it in a flood. Let us in! Oh gosh, we need to press the buttons. I'll get this button. That button doesn't need to be pushed. Only this button needs to. Bridget, it's only us! And that girl. The boy got trapped. I'm gonna press the button.
Okay, I'm going for the other one.
Okay, or the other girl is. She's good on the buttons. Acid. Actually, we're about to win it. Who cares?
Come on, girl! Let's get it! Go! Get in! Give her a shout out because you're doing so good.
Yeah, guys, shout out to Cheryl Kitty.
Ooh, you're great, Sarah Kitty.
Just got shout out.
Also, the boys and girls, shout out to Dead,
Whatever his name is.
Deadly Isaac. Shout out to him. Okay, we're not gonna make it through this one.
Yes, we are. Maybe not. It's not as good, guys, when you don't have that much people to press the button.
But we can't just leave them alone. Because that's not good sportsmanship.
Yeah. You can't just let them to die. She's nice.
No friendly.
Me too. And then, she added me back. And I'm gonna do the boy.
Coming.
Oh, the boy didn't add me.
Clicking like all the buttons.
No, the girl fell. Okay, she's good. Door's not opening. There's another button. She's getting it. She's getting it. She's trying. She's trying. I think it's too late.
Yeah.
No!
But we can't leave them. Okay. Oh my god, it's happening. Go. Jake, where are you?
I'm not in. Oh, this map is really easy.
Spectator of me?
I am. Oh, guys, Bridget might be dead. Okay, she got some recovery. Oh no!
Oh no! Deadly Isaac!
He's trying. He won't make it. He died.
You're so spectating. Make it move! This Charlotte Kitty, we made it. No, Charlotte Kitty, come back! What is she doing? What is she doing? Okay, anyway. Come.
I think she risked her life for you.
Well, there's no reason to risk her life.
She fell. She's getting the butt. Oh my gosh, those guys are great. Guys, shout out to them. Truthfully.
Deadly Isaac and...
Deadly Isaac and oh no, the button. I'm dead.
Oh, well, I clicked the button. There's more buttons! There's more buttons!
Only she's alive, but she's about to die. I don't think everyone. Wait, did everyone get? Okay, phew.
Also, shout out to Lois Battle. She's the best.
No,
Give a shout out to Deadly Isaac and...
I did. Shout out to Desley. Isaac.
I know, we've been giving 20 shout outs.
20 shots.
Oh yeah, this video is also sponsored by Deadly Isaac and Charlotte Kitty.
And the creators of Flood Escape.
Yeah, you'll see the creators of Roblox and Roblox.
This video is sponsored by Roblox and the creators of Flood Escape. Guava juice. Comment on my video, please.
What? Charlotte Kitty, you know you deserve it.
No, it's rising.
What's happening now? No, Charlotte.
No!
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 Jake, go for this button, I'll go for that one.
Yeah, they didn't make it.
Just go hurry.
No.
No, but...
The boy left. That was only 3.
Ah! It's not good. It's not good. We're gonna make it.
No, she died. And he left.
She didn't make it. But she risked her life.
She was derived to get all the buttons. We should
Yeah, big shout out to her. Big.
leave a like in this video. If you leave a like, that means you support her.
Yeah,
For
you
risking
support
her life.
for being a very kind human being. What if she does this thing in real life? What if she does this in real life?
Oh my gosh.
So yeah, big shout out to her.
Our noob's just swimming around.
I know, they're no actually.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh wait, she replied LOL.
Let's just keep playing.
Yeah, we can keep playing, but I gotta post my video.
I'll keep playing since I
Okay.
have it.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Next video is actually going to be a face reveal. If one person comments, face reveal,
So please,
Good.
face reveal.
and then we'll do a vlog. Goodbye.